In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set confidential mode on Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Gmail in the browser. Just go to gmail.com and wait for the inbox to load. Once you're on the main Gmail page and you can see your emails, that means you're ready to start. Now that we're inside Gmail, the next thing I'm going to do is create a new email. Over on the left side of the screen, there's a button that says Compose. I'm going to click that, and right away a new email window pops up, usually down in the bottom corner of the screen. This is the standard Gmail Compose window where you would normally write a message. With that Compose window open, I'm going to move my attention down toward the bottom of the email box. Along the bottom row, you'll see a few different icons that control different options for the email. What we're looking for here is the button that lets us turn on confidential mode. It usually looks like a small lock with a clock on it, so I'm going to click the toggle confidential mode icon. As soon as I click it, a new settings window appears for confidential mode. This is where we can control how the message will behave once it's sent. Now that the confidential mode settings window is open, the first thing we're going to set is the expiration. Gmail gives you options for how long the email will remain accessible before it expires. I'm going to click on the expiration setting and choose the time period I want. Once the expiration date passes, the recipient won't be able to access the message anymore. Once that's done, we move down to the passcode type. In this section, Gmail lets you decide how the recipient will access the email securely. I'm going to select the passcode option from the available choices. This setting controls whether the recipient will need a passcode to open the message. At this point, we've set the expiration and selected the passcode type, which are the two main settings for confidential mode. Everything is now configured the way we want it. So now I'm going to move down to the bottom of the confidential mode settings window and click the save button. As soon as I click save, the settings apply to the email we're composing. Now we're back in the regular compose window, but confidential mode is active for this message. The settings we just chose are now attached to the email. That means the message will follow the expiration and passcode rules we selected earlier. And that's the entire process. We opened Gmail, clicked compose to start a new email, then went to the bottom of the email window and clicked the toggle confidential mode icon. After that, we set the expiration date, selected the passcode type and clicked save to apply the settings. Once those steps are done, confidential mode is turned on for that email. The message will follow the expiration and security settings we just configured. That's all it takes to enable confidential mode in Gmail while composing a message.